Hey guys, Michelle Schumann here. I just wanted to do this video post because I am on spring break, and even though I feel like with spring break you have all the time in the world, I am on vacation in North Carolina with my parents and spending a lot of time with them. And I'm also doing a lot to improve my business, putting together things for new coaches. Just getting a lot of things organized. And I still wanted to blog, but I didn't feel like I had enough time to really give you a long blog post. So instead, I decided it would be a little easier, especially because I'm mostly a verbal person, to post this video. Something I wanted to talk about, and I will do more of a written blog post on this later after I do a little bit more research. But in honor of Wednesday and my love for alliteration, I wanted to just talk a little bit about wine because I love wine. And I know I haven't talked about it much on my blog because I've been starting out doing a lot of health and fitness related things. If you know me personally at all, if you are a friend of mine on Facebook, which if you're not, you should be, just send me a quick email and we can be friends. I love wine. I love it maybe as being one of my unhealthy obsessions in a little bit of ways. I love to go to wineries. I love to drink wine with dinner. And I think one of the things that I'm trying to do most on this journey to health is stick with that one glass of wine every night and not overindulge. To me, wine is something that um, makes a meal better. And not for the tipsy aspect, but because there are so many different aspects of the different tastes of wine that complement your meal. Um, and one thing that I think is great is that you don't have to be eating unhealthy meals. As you probably know from my blog posts, I am trying extremely hard to eat clean, healthy meals, cooking everything from home, cooking everything, and even the substitutions I make, I'm always trying to substitute cleaner things, even with my yogurt post, moving on from sort of the pre-mixed fruit at the bottom yogurt to mixing my yogurt with some cinnamon and a little bit of honey. So in that aspect, I think that wine is sort of my indulgence. And I really want to find some more information about how wine can be helpful to the body, how wine can be healthy if used appropriately. I'd love to even do a blog post about different wines that you can pair with some favorite clean eating recipes. Um, but I do want to share this piece about me because I do think that it is something that defines me as a person. I went to Napa for my honeymoon. I live in New Jersey, and there is a wine book that you can get. And as you go to all the local New Jersey wineries, you can get it stamped. And so it's a hobby of mine and my husband's to go around to different wineries. But I do also want to stress, especially if you are a friend of mine on Facebook, one of my favorite things to post about is when I'm drinking. And I know that somebody said to me once, I had given them a questionnaire about how they'd like me to help them in my challenge groups. And one of the things they said was, I'd love to know how you're able to drink so much wine and still look like you do, still stay in shape. And I think that's one of the problems with social media is that we, as the person whose account it is, has the ability to post whatever they want, which is why we feel like some people's lives are so great because they are only posting the great things that happen to them. They're not posting about the struggles, the setbacks, the problems that they're having. I don't post about everything that I do in my life, but I do try to project a well-rounded image of myself. But one thing I do love to post about is my wine. So it does often seem like I'm drinking wine constantly, when really that is not the case. I do not even have a glass of wine every night for dinner. I probably have a glass of wine maybe 2 nights a week, 1 to 2 glasses. I'm trying to cut that back to just one. Of course, it's hard when you open that bottle, you want to finish it, you know what I mean? And of course, there are times when I overindulge. I do post about that as well because I am young. I don't have children. I have the ability to make those decisions and not have to worry about other people, which is a blessing, and it's a choice that I've made in my life at this point. So I just wanted to give you a little bit of an inside look into something that I find as a hobby, something that interests me, and also maybe something that's a little bit of a weakness in terms of my health and fitness journey. I have noticed that the less I drink, the better I feel, of course, and the better I look. But I do believe that we all should indulge a little bit, and I'm definitely going to look into sharing a little bit more about my wine interest with this blog, and you know, sharing with people how they can maintain a healthy lifestyle and still indulge in things like that. So I hope you enjoyed this little video, and let me know if you like it, and maybe I'll do some more video blog posts. Have a great day.